This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is ready. Update iOS and reboot if needed, because action mode appears only with current software. Once done, open the camera app and switch straight to video mode. Now look for the small chevron or arrow above the shutter or along the top. Tap it to expand extra controls. This immediate step gets you into the right camera context so you can reveal the action mode toggle without losing time. With the expanded controls visible, scan the row of mode icons or the stabilization/options menu. Tap the action mode icon or the labeled option. This activates enhanced electronic stabilization to smooth motion. Make sure to check frame rate and resolution because high settings can change stabilization behavior and file size. If you need steadier footage, lower resolution or frame rate can help. Once enabled, you'll see subtle UI feedback confirming action mode. Now press the red record button and move while filming to benefit from the stabilization. You'll notice less shake during walking or quick pans. After recording, play back the clip and toggle action mode off to compare results. That shows you how much stabilization changed the footage. If action mode doesn't engage or footage is still shaky, make sure iOS is updated, reboot the phone, and, if needed, reset camera settings. These steps resolve most activation or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.